A woman has been hiccuping non-stop for 8 years, leaving doctors completely stumped by this medical mystery. Imagine going about your daily life with an involuntary spasm that never ends. It's a reality for Lisa Graves. Her hiccups started out of the blue and have persisted through countless treatments and consultations. Doctors have tried everything from medication to unconventional therapies, but nothing has tamed the relentless hiccups. This rare and bewildering condition has not only baffled medical experts but also sparked curiosity worldwide. While hiccups are usually a minor inconvenience, Lisa's case is a haunting reminder of how unpredictable the human body can be. Despite the frustration, her resilience shines through as she navigates this bizarre challenge, hoping for a breakthrough that will finally bring her relief.